let's take a look at why we think the Winnebago Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous. Our first reason why the Winnebago Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is Floorplan Selections. The Roadtrek only has one floor plan option, while the Era has 4 floor plan options, including the brand new 70B floor plan featuring a large countertop with tons of room for food prep and 2 large picturesque windows to look out while preparing meals for family and friends. The Era 70M floor plan is also a favorite with its slide-out and Murphy Plus bed and large rear bathroom. The Era 70A floor plan is perfect for couples looking to hit the road in an agile, contemporary-styled B-van. It features 2 twin beds that convert into the flex bed system for cross-coach sleeping, a sofa bed combination for guests, and a movable pedestal table. Our second reason why the Winnebago Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is the Era's Truma Combi Eco Plus heating system. The Truma Combi Eco Plus combination furnace and water heater is the most efficient and lightest heating system with more than 20 years of reliable service in Europe, Australia, and now North America. The Truma Combi Eco Plus has a near silent operation and maintains a constant temperature throughout the RV and provides instant, continuous hot water to users. The Truma Combi Eco Plus is over 90% efficient and uses very little electricity to run. The Roadtrek uses a louder, less efficient heating system. Our third reason why the Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is the Era's Multiplex wiring system. The Multiplex wiring system is unique to the Era. Multiplex wiring allows users to control multiple functions in the Era through one centralized, easy-to-access panel. On the Precision panel, you can control the lighting in your coach, monitor your holding tank levels, extend and retract your slide-outs and powered patio awning, monitor your electrical controls, control your generator, and your water pump. All of these can also be controlled by the PrecisionPlex app available on Android and iOS. It is the smarter way to run your RV. This unique feature is not available in the Roadtrek. Our fourth reason why the Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is the Era's unique storage solution for a Class B. You no longer have to sacrifice storage space for the flexibility and agility of a Class B with the Winnebago Era. The Era 70A floor plan has a slide-out compartment tray that is accessible from the rear door, while the Era 70M floor plan has a rear storage compartment that spans the full height of the coach. And the brand new 70B floor plan has below floor storage. The Roadtrek Adventurous has a small rear storage compartment. Storage isn't the only smaller part of the Roadtrek Adventurous. Our fifth reason why the Winnebago Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is the size of the Era. The Era comes standard in the 24-foot length, while the Adventurous comes standard in the 22-foot length, and moving up to the 24-foot length chassis is a $3,100 option. The Era's 24-foot length is small enough to allow you to camp in the beautiful locations available only to tent campers and smaller RVs, or driveway camp and parking lot boondock while remaining relatively undetected. Our sixth reason we think the Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is the Era's premium interior materials. The Era comes standard with solid surface, fully reinforced Corian countertops. Corian countertops are extremely durable and will survive the daily wear and tear of RVing. Corian has a non-porous surface that prevents dirt and stains from penetrating the material, therefore cleaning is a breeze. Underneath the Corian countertops are the lightweight Techniform cabinetry. Techniform cabinetry is Italian-designed, curved cabinetry that is extremely lightweight and highly durable. Techniform uses state-of-the-art materials and an environmentally friendly manufacturing process to create doors specifically for the Era. These beautiful lightweight cabinets were designed to hold up to the most extreme humidity and temperature conditions without cracking, peeling, or warping. The Adventurous uses heavy plywood cabinets that were not designed with the same stringent standards used for the Era. The Era features ultra leather for the furniture coverings. Ultra leather gives you the softness, comfort, and luxury that is more durable than leather and extremely easy to clean. Ultra leather has been tested and proven to surpass competitive fabrics for integrity and durability. The Adventurous has a cheaper composite leather in its interior. Our seventh reason why the Winnebago Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is the Era gives you more for your money. A Winnebago Era is priced at least $10,000 less than the comparably equipped Roadtrek. While the Roadtrek RS Adventurous states it starts around $138,000, to get similar features to an Era, including the 24-foot chassis, solar power, a pantry, and silver exterior, all of which are standard features in the Era, it would cost nearly $156,000 compared to the Era at $139,000. Our final reason the Winnebago Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous is Winnebago's superior construction. In Winnebago's 60 years of building RVs, they have pioneered several construction standards that are now industry standard. Winnebago was the first RV company in the U.S. to manufacture compact RVs and camper vans. Why buy an RV from any other manufacturer? That wraps up our 8 reasons why we think the Winnebago Era is better than the Roadtrek RS Adventurous. To see our entire Era inventory and see more videos like this one, visit LittzinnRV.com.